everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm filming an unboxing of the May VillaBeautifful kit, Let's Create. I love this theme, love this kit, love it all, so let's get started. So let's start out with this month's papers. We've got 4 double-sided 8.5 by 11 sheets with floral prints, stripes, paper clips, bows, spots, and I love this pattern of different planner supplies. How adorable is that little clipboard right there? You also get 2 specialty sheets of gold foiled vellum. So we have this loopy spiral design and this paper clip print. Next up, we have the large journaling card that says Create Pretty Things, and it's got the pretty planner supply background on it. This is a one-sided card, so you could always layer some other patterned paper on the back and use it as a double-sided dashboard, or stick some sticky notes on the back. Lots of ways to reuse this card. And next up is the smaller journaling card. That's a planner bag that says Crafty Girl. This is one-sided as well. Look at the cute little details on that. I love the little planner sticking out and the bows on the handles. Really cute. Alright, let's move on to the stickers. We start off with the 3 large sheets you get. We've got half boxes, quarter boxes, little scallop boxes, clipboard boxes, and a weekly tracker. Then we've got some banner flags, my all-time favorite icons, which I love that she adds the different patterns and colors each month, so everything coordinates just so well. Then we've got some circle icons and checklists. And then these are the full boxes. So we've got some fun different patterns and colors on here. I love the open planner she does. And for these boxes here that have the open space, I don't really like to write on them, but what I do love to do is to layer transparent quote stickers on top. Just stick them right on there. Usually I use ones from the Happy Planner sticker books, and they just look so cute with quotes added to them. Then we move on to the 4 mini sheets of stickers. So first up, we have this sheet of 8 different boxes, some with some pattern backgrounds, some with the corner deco. Next up are the date covers, and you get 2 versions, which I love because this kit comes with so many different supplies that you can make this last for multiple weeks. Then we have the headers, lots of fun colors on here. And the last mini sheet is going to be this sheet of deco, so I will give you a close-up of those. And I think my favorite piece is probably going to be that little Rascog card. So cute. This month's kit came with a few goodies stuffed into a clear pouch, so we're going to open this up and get a better look at what's inside. The next item is this pack of 3 magnetic bookmarks. They are double-sided. You get a planner with a VB crystal pen at the top, a little Tiffy, and a stack of washi tapes. Next up, we have our VillaBeautifful exclusive washi tapes. They are gold foiled. We've got this floral print on the top with the different leaves and sprigs foiled, and then bows on the bottom. Next up is one of my favorite items in all of her kits. I love her shaped sticky notes. So this month is a pen cup, and it's stuffed with a couple of VB crystal pens, some scissors, some pencils, lots of fun details, and still plenty of room to write down your list of notes. Next up is this month's VB crystal pen. I love that she includes one of these in every single kit, so I've got quite the stash built up now. These are gel pens. They write so well and are a great weight. And I love the color combinations that she picks for these. This has 3 different color crystals in it, and normally they're mixed, but this month she decided to stack them, so lots of fun different variations if you decide to become a VB crystal pen collector. And last but not least, we have a pack of adhesive corner pockets. You get 3 in a pack, and they are foiled with different quotes and deco on them. And these are a recent addition to her kits, but they have quickly become some of my favorite planner supplies. I love this one. Beautiful minds inspire others. They're super easy to use. You simply peel it off the backing. This part is really tacky, and you can stick it on whatever your heart desires, cardstock, patterned paper, a dashboard, and then you have a transparent pocket, and you can just slide stuff in, and it just looks so cute sitting wherever you want it in your planner. I love these pieces. And that does it for this unboxing. Don't forget to check out the description below for a direct link to the VillaBeautifful website where you can find all of the information you'll need about her monthly kits. There's also a few discount codes and a link to my Instagram where you can keep up with all of my planner projects. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!